Hello everyone, welcome to the next video tutorials for my dear friends from the second semester. Particularly you guys, I don't have to, spoon feed everything to you every time in the class. Anyway, video 4. Now we would be discussing the difference between difference difference between this and this. You see, now I'm going to write a few operators like this. See, now this is assignment operator. We have used this numerous times now. That is only for assigning a value to a variable, and this means like equals to something, equals to something, and this is not equal to these, definitely lesser than, greater than, or equal to. That is actually lesser than and equal to, lesser than or equal to. This one is than or equal to. This is modulus slash remainder. We'll use this. This is AND operator. You must have studied that in physics. And this means like if you're given some sort of condition, both the conditions on the left and right side of this should be satisfied, then it would be true. And this is OR. Sorry about that. And this is like your, what's this, what's wrong with that? This is your OR operator. Let's see. Let's, what do we want? Arrays. Yes, very important. Arrays. What is an array? First of all, an array is an array as a block of consecutive memory locations of the same data type. If you want to initialize an array, just take the data type, for example integer, and you write its name, and in between these you define the size of the array. For example, the size of this array A is 5. So this means that this integer, this variable has a memory location, a memory size of 5. You can store 5 integers in it instead of only one, like this. cn a0 cn a1. So you see, everything, the counting starts from 0 in a computer system. cn a3 and cn a4. So these are the 5 memory locations for this array a5. This, and this. So now you can input values, and obviously you can take output. Cout a0 handle cout a1 cout a2 cout a3 and cout a4. Let's see, control F9. Now first I enter 1, I enter 5, I enter 76, 7, I enter 54, I enter 6. See, now 1, 5, 67, 54 inside. It is displaying these in the output screen. Now for example, I input 3.142 and thus it only displays 3 and it takes all the others crash values. Now what if I want to use it as a float instead of an integer? Let's see what happens. Float. Now if I run this program, I store 3.1, 3.4, 54.6, 50, 49.9, 34.6. So it is displaying these values 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 as it is. So this concludes that you can take arrays in both data types, integer and floats. The numbers. So we will discuss how to calculate and manipulate these in the next video. Right now we're just going to see if we can do something about two-dimensional arrays. Who can tell me what two-dimensional arrays are? Two-dimensional arrays are like matrices. For example, int a2 by 2. This means that this variable integer a is a matrix of order 2 by 2. That means it has this thing, first thing, 2 rows and 2 columns. If I change it to 3, this means it has 3 rows and 2 columns. And if I further change it like this, it means it has 2 rows and 5 columns. So in our worksheets and our labs, in our assignments, we only have to use a 2 by 2 matrix. We can initialize it and we can take input. Now you should guess, if I want to take input on this, that should be two-dimensional input like this. Cn a0 1. See, Cn a1 0 and Cn a1 1. Now for output, it is best first you tell displaying the array slash matrix of order 2 cross 2, see out the first one, and space, a little bit of space on the output screen, and then the other one, 0 1, rather endl for because I want to go to the next line now. See out a, you guessed right, this one, 1 0. Now a little bit of space in between and output a 1 1. Let's see how it displays our answer. For example, I want to write 2 4 6 and 8, so 2 4 6 and 8, but it is not the desired output. So what will I do? I will just 2 4 6 78 8, still no good, so I will remove the space from here. 2 4 6 8. See, now it's better. So it looks like a matrix now, and we will apply mathematical operations on in the next video, inshallah. See you later. Now please subscribe. Thank you for watching.